How to transfer data from Android to iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can transfer data from Android to iPhone. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So one of the convenient way is downloading and installing the mobile trans on your computer. After that, open the application and choose phone transfer from the main menu. You should be able to see this kind of interface after that. And step 2, you should connect your old phone and new phone to your computer using the original USB cables. Mobile trans will automatically detect your devices and display them on the screen like it is shown right now. So after that, step 3, you just need to carefully select the specific data that you want to transfer, such as contacts, photos, messages, music, apps, and more. After that, mark the desired items and click start to initiate the transfer process. After you initiate, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. That's it. It's restoring your iPhone. So please wait and please do not disconnect the device while you are doing that. So therefore, this is the process on how you can do it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.